Hello everyone, my name is Lizzie and welcome to my channel. Please subscribe to this channel, click on the bell icon to get notified when I upload a new video. Banga soup is one of my favorite soup in the whole world, and that's the reason why I've decided to share my recipe with you today. Please relax and cook with Lizzie. I'll be using beef for this recipe. In a pan, I'll put my beef, then season with salt, onion and pepper mix, seasoning cube. I'll mix properly and cover to cook. At this point, the beef has released its juice. I'll top up with water and allow to cook until it's about 80% ready. I extracted this banga juice myself. If you'll be using the tin one, please ensure you mix it to the light so it can undergo a proper cooking process before you bring in your ingredients. So at this point, it has been cooking for a period of time. So I'll come in with my deboned dried catfish, some grounded crayfish and banga spice. I grounded my banga spice myself, so I grounded it with the crayfish together. Then I'll come in with my onion and pepper. And add my beef. My beef was cooked and it's still a little bit hard. That's because it will still undergo some cooking process in the soup. Then I'll mix and cover for it to cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. So it's been cooking for a while, and you can see the oil is already floating. I'll add my directed leaf and some seasoning cube. Mix properly and cover for it to cook for another 3 to 5 minutes. And here my banga soup is ready. So one secret about making a very tasty banga soup is using lots of onion and lots of crayfish too. Usually pepper is according to what you can withstand. You can enjoy this soup with your starch or any swallow of your choice. So if you've watched this video to this point, please comment Lizzie can cook, like, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you again in my next video. Bye bye.